Are you ready to slide? Let's learn our ABCs. Let's slide! Look at our big ABC blocks. Let's slide them into the matching color buckets. Come along and play with me. Slide on down with ABC. Let's slide on the red, yellow, and blue. Block number 1 is ready. A, B, C, D. Keep going. Sliding down for you and me. Uh-oh, Chloe, put the block back in. Perfect. Block number 1 is safe. 2 blocks down. F, G. E, F, G. E, F, G. Happy letters as you see. Look at them go! H, I, J, K. Sliding down the slide today. L, N, N, O, P. Singing out with happy glee. Great job! We are past the halfway mark. Q, R, S, T. Rolling past the apple tree. Keep going! U, V, W, W. Look at what our toys can do. Only one more block left to slide. X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. 3 blocks safe. Look how colorful they are. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Bye-bye from our ABCs.